North Korea TV airs terrible action movie style footage of newest nuclear missile. Kim Jong-un appears to be entering his Chuck Norris phase.
He's having fun. Look at him.
Wait, this is an actual... Is it meant to be a spoof or like... Is it an actual action movie?
I think it's an action movie. Like, he's serious about it.
Wow.
He's creating his own content.
What?
The video segment, first reported by NK News, so it showed on the news this segment, features dictator Kim Jong-un decked out in 1980s action hero gear, complete with bomber jacket, sunglasses. Much of the video in slow motion with Kim walking in front of the new missile, pointing in various directions and looking at his watch. Just checking his watch if it's time to launch it or what's going on here. It's kind of wild. You got
Everyone's looking at the watch.
Nuclear missile and you're just looking at watches.
The fast cuts, too.
What are you implying? So I guess we should watch the clip.
Oh, there's a clip?
Different camera angle.
Oh,
But just barely moved and
Are
the
you
frame
sure
stays the
that
same.
this is to be...
that's him, though.
I know, but are you sure it's to be received as
I don't know.
serious?
Well, he's very serious. He doesn't joke around.
You just mean in general?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't make a movie out of, like, comedy.
So here's the... But look at the zooms on the watch. Like...
Oh my god, I think this is for real.
I don't know if there's copyright, but
I'm sure he'll see this clip.
well, I mean, I guess we've seen enough, but it's an enormous missile, obviously. It's a 12-minute video. Good Lord. And they just walk in front of it. And he keeps checking the watch.
but that's so strange.
And then the
Imagine-
other guy checks the watch.
Can you imagine, like,
It was very bizarre.
Joe Biden doing this?
Yeah, it's
Or Justin Trudeau
It's nutty.
in Canada do this?
We don't have nukes, Will.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm just saying. It's just so ridiculous, but very strange.
Yeah. Well, when
doing
you
it backwards way.
I don't know, I guess when you program for the broadcast. Oh, here we go. It's getting more serious now. Were they going to launch it?
These guys.
화성포 17형 시험 발사를 위한 전투 정보가 울렸습니다.
Are they going to launch it?
Oh,
Oh my god.
that's not CG.
Yeah, but the thing is, I guess it's got no
No destination?
but no. It might
There's
just
no
be
warhead.
Yeah, just a missile, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so scary.
Look at these replays.
It's rumored to be a multi-warhead weapon, meaning once it's launched, it can hit multiple targets at once.
공화국 핵전쟁 위협과 도전들을 차례 구었던 위험한 군사적
That's the epic shot right there.
저지시키고 억제할 만단의 준비
Man.
단계에 있다고 확언하셨습니다.
Such a
전략무기 시험
different.
성공의 기쁨이
So weird. So weird.
경애하는 정지께서는 우리 공화국의 전략적
It's always a lot of walking around. It's a lot of walking around and chatting.
Like, is that the missile? That's the missile. Yep, that's the missile.
Yeah, it's looking
But
cool.
like as
It's the
funny
strut.
as this is, propaganda is everywhere. It's everywhere. Theirs is like a little easier to spot because you're so distant from it. You're like, is this actually? But there's versions of it in every nation. There's versions of it showing off, flexing.
Right.
Versions of it.
Yeah.
Everybody's cool and dangerous and whatever.
I don't know. Just seeing the leader of the country.
Yeah, I know. But like we were talking the other day, even when they give a speech, it's so weird. Like the way the stage is set up and the room that they're in. And
Right.
it's a lot of,
Well,
there's nothing casual about any of it.
how would you imagine it to be? The podium talk.
What do you mean? If I had to do that?
If you were
Man.
an audience looking at it.
Oh, if I'm the audience. I just like things to look believable in general.
Right.
If I have an option, I want to imagine it in real life. I suppose certain elements can exist for a cool factor, but I really wish, and I know it's not possible, but I really wish that politicians and serious people could speak in a slightly more human way. Just slightly. Just speak
Normal.
the way other people speak or in a fashion that seems relatable.
Uh-huh.
I know they're always reading. They're always reading
The teleprompter.
everything that's been approved, and I realize it matters what they say, and it's very important. But
What about wearing a suit? Are you okay with just
well, this who has to wear it? Do I have to wear it?
yeah, if
No.
you're the leader.
No. I don't get me started on a suit, man, because I'm gonna offend some people. Look, I know it's spiffy and tailored, and you're looking sharp there. I know that, but fact of the matter is, it's a style invented about 1 billion years ago when you didn't have new age materials and textures and things that would stretch and move and breathe.
So you would wear the exact thing you're wearing right now
Pretty much. Yeah. I
to
apologize.
address the State of the
There's the
Union?
leader.
I'm like, listen, guys. No goofing. No goofing.
And he does it
You
from
start
that
off with
chair.
that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do it from this chair, man.
No goofs, no gaffs.
I say no goofing right from here. And everybody gets mad. They're like, we voted for this guy. He can't even put a suit on. We voted for him. And I'm like, listen, guy's been wearing a suit for 200 years. You're sweating. You're not that comfortable. You can't think straight. So you're all
Tight. Very
tight.
tight.
You're all tight.
Yeah.
And I just want you to think straight. That's all.
Yeah.
I don't care that much. But
Okay.
I've still no goof.